Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a pizza. First you got to make sure your chopping block is clean. Wipe all the shit off of it. Fucking wipe it down. Hit it with some oil. Rub the oil into it. Make sure that shit's nice and dry and soaked up. Wash your hands. Pretty basic shit. You want your dough to be at least room temperature. Mine's still a little bit cold, but it's gonna have to do. I'm gonna make it nice and thin, especially if you're trying to save money. You want to throw down some flour on your damn shit, because what's gonna happen is it's gonna get awfully sticky once it heats up, and you try to move it around on the thing, it's gonna stick. You have a bad fucking time there. Alright, we're going to use half this dough ball. We don't need the whole thing. Put half there. That shit in the sink. Put that shit off to the side. Put that in the fridge in a minute. And what you want to do... Ah, shit, this is still way too cold. Alright, about 10 minutes has gone by. Matt Wilson called me up on the phone. That's who I'm making this fucking pizza dough for in the first place. And, it's at a workable temperature. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to smush it down. By the way, we're working with store-bought, pre-doughed fucking whole wheat dough. I don't typically like the whole wheat shit. I like the regular old-fashioned regular shit, but we're going to mess with the whole wheat shit today. You want to fucking do this shit. Fucking smush that bitch out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Hear the pops? Fucking. That's how you know you're getting air bubbles out. I'm gonna get rid of those air bubbles. And make sure you preheat your fucking oven. If you're using a pizza oven, you got a whole different ball game of shit you're dealing with. But me, it's got a regular ass fucking oven. I'm just gonna do 350. I usually put it in there for a half hour. If you're making pizzas for fucking people, you can have more heat. You're gonna go faster. I like to work it just kind of in a circle. Stretch it out this way. Feel it. It's gonna be nice and good. I don't like this fucking thing here, so we're gonna fucking fuck it up. We're gonna smush that fucker down there like that. Flip it over, pretend it never happened. Starting to stretch out pretty good. Still got air pops happening. You still got some work to do. Oh, fucking air out of there. Look, it's nice. It's starting to stretch out good now, boy. It's starting to stretch out good. It's partially because it's sticking to the top, but it's close to what you want. I'm not trying to go heavy on the bread. Some people like a nice, big, thick, crazy bread. I like it closer to the thinner side, man. It's like a nice... You can eat a whole fucking pizza and not be guilty about yourself for eating the whole pizza. You know. This is looking pretty good. I mean, this is the size of our pan, so it's about right. Now with the cast iron, I cook it on the cast iron. You're probably just going to go straight into an oven with the thing. So you're going to be dealing with a different thing. Again, this is just how I make a fucking pizza. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on this thing, see? Not a lot. Just a little bit. I'm going there with my hands. Rub it all in. Just to cover the sides and everything nice. Now, pick up the pizza dough, throw it on top there. What you got? So you got pizza dough that you want to just situation into the middle there. Make sure it's not too crazy on the dough, on the edge, on the crust. You want to go with a little bit of a lip. You know, it's pretty good. Clean spoon. I'm just gonna sauce the top of the motherfucker. I let this sauce go for typically, I'd say average, maybe like 6 hours in the pan. It's real thick. I use maybe 50 small tomatoes from the garden, maybe more, 100. Fill the pot, you know, and then just reduce it down. Put a bunch of garlic, some parsley, some onions, salt, a little pepper, olive oil, all the regular Italian shit. Fucking do a little bit of that there. Get it nice and even, you know what I'm saying? If the sauce is fresh, it spreads a little bit better than this really thick refrigerated stuff that I've created. I have to make more of this. Okay. There you go, boy. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna close that shit up. And I want to add garlic to this. Wipe that shit off. Good enough to chop on. Alright. Throw some garlic cloves in there. I got some chunks of garlic. And we'll do 3. You know? 3 of those. Just chop them in. Nice little slices there. Oh, you can see. Alright, yeah, let's do it like that. I'm going to take all these chunks of garlic, I'm just going to throw them right in there with that sauce right there. Nice big roasted chunks. Third or a fourth of this thing. Yeah. That's how you know you're right on time. You can put this shit back into a fucking wet container, which is somewhere. I'll deal with that in a minute. Alright, let's cut the pieces of mozzarella up into just little pieces there. Little big pieces. What we're going to do, we're going to situate them all over your pie. Randomly. But evenly-ish. Just so that nothing's too crazy. We still want more sauce showing than cheese. So that looks pretty good, right? While I put the pizza in the oven, it's cooking. I cleaned the board. I figured it makes sense to do some prep work because it's a salad pizza. I need to cut up some vegetables and shit to throw on there before I glaze it and cheese it and all that shit. So, from the garden, we've got a pepper. We've got this bastard of a cucumber that grew. Cherry tomatoes. We have carrots growing, but they're extremely small. So I decided to go with the old bag of shredded carrots. Bag of greens there. You're kidding me. Someone just bought my lapras and then canceled it. Alright. Easy come, easy go. Alright, let's pull out the pizza out of the oven. It just beeped. Let's see what it's looking like. Don't forget to save your fingers. You don't want to use them again. Good, right? I'm gonna fucking splash the shit with olive oil. Just drizzle. Drizzle splash. Just gonna throw the greens on it. I'm gonna cover this bitch with greens. What you're gonna get is you're gonna get you a whole salad and a half. You don't even know it. You don't even know you did that. You just did that. Okay, pretty good. Good. Here, some cucumbers. Whoops, lost one. See that? Chunks of tomatoes on there. Look at that. Just starting to pop right off. Shit's popping. Got some more peppers and some more cucumbers. Peppers is kind of hot. We're gonna just go. We're about to hit it with the balsamic glaze. Just a little bit. So you know it's real. Everyone's gonna be like, oh my goodness, what's this guy, a genius? All you need is a little bit just to set that shit off. Just like that. You know what I mean? Maybe a little tiny touch more. It's a fucking salad pizza. What the hell do you think you just fucking did right there? You just made the best goddamn fucking pizza in the whole world. You can't fucking grab this because it's hot. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut this shit up, you're gonna put it on a fucking plate, you're gonna put it in your fucking mouth.